Hey guys, so if you have a Bissell Revolution HydroSteam, okay, you would want to stick around for this video. You want to know how to change the belt, the pump belt, even the geared belt that drives the brushes. So stick around. I'll show you how to do that. Okay guys, so it's fairly simple. We're going to remove these screws here. This will allow us to get access to the basic pump belt. See how the wheel comes right off? It's a lot easier, to me anyway, than the Bissell Revolution Pet Pro or the Bissell Revolution. Which, you know, you have to remove the clip from the tops. This one we have to operate from the bottom. But if you look at it, it's just simply you're just sliding off the belt, but it still remains that we have to remove this section in order to get this belt off. So let's continue, okay? All right. I already took the screws out of this one because I was kind of working on it, but really it's 1 and 2. You just remove these 2 screws here, and then you can just lift this right out. What I like about this new one is the ease that you can just get this out of here. Take a look. You just take this off, slide out the old pump belt, okay? And sometimes you'll have residue here, so you can get a sandpaper or something and just kind of clear this residue off, because sometimes the burnt belt will kind of meld to this thing here, okay? And you just want to make sure that this is still, you know, free flowing, okay? And if you have rust and stuff, you know, it's probably a good idea to do the same thing. You know, you get a tiny little sandpaper and just kind of work these little things here. It's not going to hurt, okay? It can only help, all right? So now you put your new pump belt on, okay? Stretch it a little, snap it on here. The other way, we had to kind of use a screwdriver to kind of, you know, pry the belt over there. But if just in case, again, like I said, just in case it's too tough for you to do, you just do it like that, okay? If that's what it's okay, just use something like a screwdriver. All right, now let's say you had to also replace. Now there's a belt here that goes around this. This belt really goes bad, to be perfectly honest with you. Only if you have like, you know, this start to burn or something really horrible happen to this. Now, what's good about this is that it comes as a set, and it comes with this belt already installed, and it comes also like this. If you have to purchase this by itself, if some reason, you know, the belt got worn out, it got melted, or something of that sort happened here, okay? But all you have to do to change this belt is let's just take off the screw, just like this. Okay, let's get this out. Hey, all right. Just kind of pry this off a little bit here. This comes right out. All right. Try your best to keep these guys in here, okay? Because if the moment you lift this out of here, now you have to kind of really wiggle it back into place. So right now we're just going to focus on this. Okay, you put your new belt on, right? See that? And then we do our best to match up these rods here with these holes right here. And that's as simple as it is. Slide this down like this. If you notice, everything just goes right into place. Let me just make sure we slide down, and just you're looking for the rod to kind of show itself through here. You can actually see that you should be able to see it through there, okay? Get your screw, put it back on, and we're gonna first put this on like that, and just rest it down like so. Put your screws in, put this back like this. This is a great improvement on the ease of self-service for this particular unit. Definitely a big improvement. I have to give Bissell a 5-star on this improvement. Okay, I guess the techs were listening to customers, okay? All right, and there you go. We'll have to put the other 2 screws in, but you know, it's on the other side of the table. But that's it, guys. Okay, I hope that helps.